Ulibka, people often ask me, how do you post so many videos without a team? Howza? The answer. AI. Serezno. Today, I'll take you behind the scenes of my real AI-powered content system. Howza? You'll see exactly how I brainstorm, script, edit, and schedule everything, using ChatGPT, Notion AI, and OpusClip. Ulibka, it's not magic, it's smart automation. Howza? For example, I give ChatGPT my video idea. It generates the title, outline, and hook in seconds. Then OpusClip cuts long videos into shorts automatically. Vida Noblaus, the result? More content, less effort, and consistent growth. Howza? I'll show you my workflow templates, integrations, and time-saving hacks that let me publish daily. Ulibka, by the end, you'll see how one person, with the right tools, can work like a full production team.